Hello, welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to simplify the algebraic expressions displayed on the screen. To simplify the first expression, I need to follow 3 steps. The first step is to expand the first binomial 2 minus x in parentheses square by using the formula for binomial square a minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. As a second step, I need to expand the second binomial 1 plus x in parentheses squared by using the formula a plus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And finally, as a third step, I need to add all like terms that have the same variable, which is raised to the same power. Now I'm going to follow the 3 steps to simplify the first expression. So in the first binomial, 2 minus x, 2 corresponds to the a in the formula, and x corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, it equals to 2 squared minus 2 times 2 times x plus x squared. For the second binomial, 1 plus x in parentheses squared, the number 1 corresponds to the a in the formula, and x corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply it, it equals to 1 squared plus 2 times 1 times x plus x squared. When I simplify further, this equals to 4 minus 4x plus x squared plus 1 plus 2x plus x squared. And lastly, I need to add all like terms. Like terms are 4 and 1, negative 4x and 2x, and finally x squared and x squared. 4 and 1 makes 5. Negative 4x plus 2x is negative 2x plus 2x squared. To simplify the next expression, I simply need to follow the same steps. I need to expand 1 minus x in parentheses squared by using the formula a minus b in parentheses squared. I need to expand 2 plus x in parentheses squared by using the formula a plus b in parentheses squared. And finally, again, I need to add all like terms that have the same variable, which is raised to the same power. And again, when I follow these 3 steps, this expression equals to 1 squared minus 2 times 1 times x plus x squared minus, now I have to put the parenthesis because I have a negative sign in front of the parenthesis, and then apply the formula. This equals to 2 squared plus 2 times x plus x squared. When I simplify further, I get 1 minus 2x plus x squared minus, in parentheses, 4 plus 4x plus x squared. Now, the next step, I need to open the parenthesis, and the negative sign will flip the sign of each term within the parenthesis. So this will equal to 1 minus 2x plus x squared minus 4 minus 4x minus x squared. And finally, I can add all like terms. I'm going to underline the pairs, similar to the previous exercise. And then what I have is negative 3 minus 6x, x squared and negative x squared are the same term with opposite signs, therefore their sum equals to 0. So I cancel out. This way, negative 3 minus 6x is the final solution for this exercise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.